Legacy CRMs center on manual data entry, turning sales reps into administrators. Agentasys adopts a different model. It uses AI to drive automated, high-speed execution. The flaw in legacy platforms is their design. They were built to be passive databases that expect you to enter records, assign ownership, and pull records after the fact. They store work. They just don't help you actively perform it. Agentasys uses a three-part paradigm: a system of record, a system of intelligence, and a system of action. Adopting this structure means you stop acting as an administrator. Instead, you orchestrate an AI that interprets business context, reduces cognitive load on your team, and connects your daily workflow to actual cash collection. We start at level 1, which focuses on establishing your structural foundation. Your first step is to tell the system how your business operates by selecting your operating mode: B2B, B2C, or mixed. Do not start with customizing colors and labels. The CRM needs structural logic established first because the quality of your AI recommendations relies entirely on the quality of your underlying context. The structural logic comes from clearly defining your contact types, knowing if a record is a prospect, a partner, or a vendor, and establishing rigid operational criteria for your pipeline stages. Treating a pipeline stage as a cosmetic label creates ambiguity. If you force every operational reality into a single loosely defined pipeline, your records become fragmented, giving intelligence layer weak signals to work with. An unstructured pipeline leaves the system guessing. On the right, a clearly defined pipeline allows the system to recognize context and trigger AI recommendations. This logic applies to records. Linking individual contacts to company profiles gives the AI an accurate understanding of the account dynamic. Configuring your CRM for intelligence first ensures your pipeline stages operate as active AI decision points rather than passive text fields. Once the structural foundation is organized, we move to level 2, activating the platform's intelligence. To do this, we have to supply the system with your internal business context. Your knowledge architecture is the brain of your CRM, built on 5 core categories: product, sales, marketing, operations, and legal. Uploading pricing rules into the sales allows the AI to retrieve the knowledge during the calls, instantly formulating responses to objections. Alongside these documents, you need to configure centralized content instructions. These settings dictate your brand voice, formatting rules, and legal constraints. If users write their own prompts from scratch, your output becomes inconsistent. Centralized instructions ensure that every AI-generated email proposal and script remains compliant on your brand. Your AI will only be as useful as the knowledge system behind it. You must ground the intelligence of your actual operational data for it to function correctly. With the knowledge architecture built and populated, you can now activate the platform's active AI features. By enabling lead scoring, the CRM begins monitoring intent signals and automatically filters your incoming traffic to prioritize the highest value prospects for your team. At the same time, the Field Advisor feature retrieves context from your knowledge architecture and actively coaches sales reps during live discovery sessions, providing recommended language and competitor battle cards in real time. This shifts the daily operating rhythm to a prioritization model. Instead of deciding on what to do next, your team spends their time acting on work the AI has already ranked by importance. Activating these tools establishes a proactive execution framework that directly manages speed and efficiency of your daily workflow. The final utilization connects established intelligence directly to measurable cash collections. A highly efficient revenue engine requires frictionless movement. You have to eliminate the manual bottlenecks that slow down the customer lifecycle. You accomplish this through pipeline automation. Configure a rule so that the moment a deal is marked closed won, the system instantly moves the contact into the active onboarding lifecycle. The exact same workflow also automatically generates a complete invoice based on the proposal by bypassing the need for manual data entry from your sales team. This diagram tracks the zero-touch progression. A scored lead flows from discovery, advances into a won deal, and moves straight into invoicing without manual updates. Finally, the system issues a native payment link directly to the customer, ensuring immediate tracking and reconciliation. Revenue tracking is incomplete until the cash is actually collected. To reach this state, you execute the 3-stage transformation: organization structural clarity, activating knowledge architecture, and automating your revenue workflows. Individual nodes of data assemble into a high-speed current, providing a unified system of intelligence for the entire company. Your immediate next step is to log into the admin portal and begin the first 30-day activation plan. Start building a foundation today. Select your primary operating mode and define the exact operational criteria required for each of your pipeline stages. Mastering this playbook turns administrative overhead into an autonomous engine for your business growth.